Welcome to our deep dive into TAWERS, the Arc Welding Robot System in our demo center here in Munich. What exactly is TAWERS and what can it be used for?
TAWERS stands for Arc Welding Robot System. A robot and controller combined with welding power source and servo wire feeder in one unit for all kinds of weld processes. Optimum welding processes are achieved by utilizing an integrated inverter power source within the robot controller, meaning complete synergy within the common control system. This ensures that the established benefits and advantages of the existing TAWERS fusion technology also now available for use for the range of MIG, MAG, and de-seating welding process. We showcase the TS950 automotive cell in our demo room, one of the fastest welding solutions for the automotive industry. The welding process with the TS950 also minimizes overall spatter for more accurate welding results, and its compact design reduces the occupied floor space within the factory.
So if you want to see the latest robot and welding solutions in action, why not to book a visit at the Customer Experience Center? We would love to show you what our solutions are capable of. See you next time!